Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PlayStation 5 using an easy method. First, make sure your PlayStation 5 console is fully updated and connected to a stable internet connection. You'll need a PlayStation Network account to access the digital store or to play online. Decide if you want to buy the game digitally through the PlayStation Store or purchase a physical disc. Both options offer a straightforward path to getting started. Once you have the game, the installation process is quite simple. If you have a physical disc, insert it into your PlayStation 5 console, and the installation should begin automatically. For digital purchases, navigate to your game library and select Call of Duty Black Ops 6 to start the download. Make sure you have sufficient storage, ideally over 200 gigabytes, for the game and future updates. The download time will vary based on your internet speed. After the main installation, the game will likely require additional updates, often referred to as Day 1 patches. These are crucial for the best experience, so allow them to download completely. Once updated, launch the game and take a moment to explore the settings menu. You can customize controls, audio, and display options to suit your preferences. Many players find adjusting sensitivity and field of view improves their gameplay significantly. With everything set up, you are ready to dive into the action. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 offers several exciting modes, including a compelling campaign, robust multiplayer, and the popular zombies experience. Select the mode that appeals most to you. If playing with friends, invite them to your party directly from the game's social menu. Remember, practice makes perfect, so enjoy exploring the maps and mastering your loadouts. Have fun playing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.